Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share some DIY glam projects. I'm inspired by Gallerie Decor and I thought I'd recreate them for you. Starting first of all, I shopped my own home and found two canvases I wasn't using anymore. I took them outside and used this brown spray paint, and what I did is I spray painted just the top half of the canvases. After giving two coats and waiting for them to completely dry, I then started on my second project. I picked up this clear vase from Kmart. It was really inexpensive, guys, for just $7. I wanted to recreate a Gallerie glitter vase that they currently have, and it's actually a bit of an ombre vase, guys, of golds and silvers. So I turned the vase upside down, and taking my Mod Podge, I started from the top. I then took some gold glitter that I picked up from Spotlight, and I started from the very top. I continued around until it was completely covered. Once it was completely covered, I then took some trusty hairspray and I sprayed it all over the glitter to secure everything in place. I then took some silver glitter and I started from the top of the vase. Now what you're going to do here, guys, is try and meet the two glitters together. So by adding the Mod Podge in random strokes, this will make the two glitters look like they're blended. Once complete, I then went in with my trusty hairspray and I gave 2 to 3 coats. I then started working on my canvases, and I first of all took some white paint, and I'm just doing random strokes in between meeting the white paint as well as the brown. I then took my Mod Podge and started from the very top, adding as much as I can to the top. I then took my gold glitter and added it to the Mod Podge. Now I wanted to add some silver glitter as well. So what I'm doing here is just taking my Mod Podge once again, and I want the silver to look like it's just randomly in certain sections of the gold. So that's what I'm doing here. I then repeated the same steps for the second canvas. Canvases were complete, I then dusted off any excess glitter and I gave 2 coats of some trusty hairspray. And here are my Gallerie inspired glitter vase and canvases. I'm so happy with how they came.
Never felt like this in my life. Not waiting a minute, awaken my spirit now. You got me thinking, whoa, I don't know how we got here. Oh my, I think we better run. We ought to leave this place tonight. I'm telling you.
Guys, we do not have Gallerie here in Australia, but I'm always in awe of the beautiful Insta stories when all my friends go and check out the latest Gallerie finds. I'm always inspired by each and every one of you, and I wanted to show you inexpensive ways to have that designer look in your home without breaking the budget. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Michelle. Most people call me Chelles, and I'm the creator of Chelles Glam Home. I love bringing inexpensive ways for you to decorate on a budget, guys, and I love bringing glam decor that anyone could recreate.
Get out there, get your shit together. Then you can say at least I tried with the first step. Move on up, don't let it slip.
If you love decorating with anything that sparkles, these two simple DIY projects could be on your to-do list this weekend.
From the first step that we take, it's always something. There's always something in the way, million excuses to take. But once you get there,
I'm a firm believer that you don't have to spend a fortune when decorating glam. I like to show inexpensive ways for you to take an hour of your time to decorate something existing in your home. I'm always encouraging you to shop your own home, to take that vase and maybe give it a new lease of life. Just take a look at what you've got first, guys. The possibilities are endless and it's entirely up to you.
I've never been closer. The daydream every day as I'm getting older.
Don't forget, guys, to follow me over at Instagram as well, at CHELLESGLAMHOME too, where I post daily inspirational ideas and videos, as well as pictures of things that inspire me, all things glam.
You're the one who writes your script.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you to do some glam DIY projects this weekend. Don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelles Glam Home.
It kind of feels like this. Oh, hey, would you stay with me till the sun goes down? Being with you is so weird.
If you'd like to see more glam DIY projects like this, please leave me a comment down below and tell me what you'd like to see next.
You look so fine, riding shotgun in my car. Top down when driving on the highway. The wind in our hair makes us look like movie stars.
Don't forget, guys, to also tap that notification bell so you'll be aware next time I upload a video.
Oh, you make me sing, yeah. Ooh, you make me sing, yeah. Come on. I just wanna be close to your body, close to your body, close to your body.
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Oh, I just wanna be